Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 7 part A of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, consider this logic expression. X is equal to A or not B, and B and not C. Draw a logic circuit for this logic expression. Each logic gate must have a maximum of 2 inputs. Do not simplify this logic expression. Now let's analyze the question to obtain full marks. This question has 5 marks, and if we look closely at the question, it also has 5 parts to draw logical diagrams. Number 1, not B. Number 2, not C. Number 3, A or not B. Number 4, B and not C. Number 5, full expression. To draw the logic diagram for the given expression, let's have the basic understanding of logic diagrams or logic gates. Logic gates are rules in computer and digital electronics to make logical decisions using true and false as input. In binary world of computing, true is represented with 1 and false is represented with 0. All the logic gates take 2 inputs at maximum and produce 1 output. Now types of logic gates. There are 3 basic types of logic gates: NOT gate, AND gate, or gate. Let's have a brief understanding of these logic gates. NOT gate. This gate has only 1 input. It gives the opposite output. If the input is 1, the output is 0. If the input is 0, the output is 1. Think of it like saying, not hungry means you are full. It's represented with this symbol. AND gate. This gate has 2 inputs. It gives 1 only when both inputs are 1. If any input is 0, the output is 0. It's like saying, you can play games if you finish your homework and clean your room. It's represented with the displayed symbol. Or gate. This gate has 2 inputs. It gives 1 if at least one input is 1. Only gives 0 when both inputs are 0. Like saying you'll be happy if it's your birthday or you get a gift. Its symbol is as shown. Now we have enough understanding of the logic gates to draw the diagram of given expression. Let's draw its 5 parts, step by step. We have 3 inputs and 1 output. Step 1 and 2 are not B and not C. Step 3 is A or not B. Step 4 is B and not C. Now the last step to finalize our answer. Great! We have successfully completed our diagram to grab full marks. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.